Hey, Rudy, we have another toy for you today. It's a ball of furry. It's a cat toy. But how you like balls a lot, we thought it would be interesting to play with you with the ball. Come on, Rudy. Wait a minute. He's really happy. I think the mouse sound excites him. I don't know how long the toy's gonna last. Come here, Rudy. Come here, Rudy. Rudy. Rudy, come here, look at the ball. Come here, get the ball. Rudy.
Ready?
Ready? What is that, Rudy? What is it? What is it? Get it, get it, get it. Yeah, see the ball moves on its own. Oh my goodness. The little mouse inside the ball. Rudy, what's in the ball? Huh? What's in the ball? Rudy, what do you think about the ball? What are you doing? You're trying to get the little mousey out. You got it! Rudy, where are you going? Come here. You're going over to your couch with the ball. Where's the mousey? Where's the mousey? Do you like your ball? Well, he's really excited with this ball. What do you think, Rudy? What do you think about your ball? What are you doing? Rudy, what are you doing with your ball? Are you trying to protect the mousey? What are you doing, Rudy? What are you doing with the ball? Oh. You ready to play? You want to play again with it? You hear the mousey? You hear the mousey, Rudy? What do you think about the mousey? Huh? What do you think about the mousey? What are you doing, Rudy? Can I see your ball? You like your ball, Rudy? What do you think about the mousey? Hmm? So funny, Rudy. Do you like the mousey? Do you like the mousey ball? Do you like your mouse ball? Rudy, you like your mouse ball? What do you think, Rudy? Yeah, I think he likes it. I want to see how long it lasts. Cat toy. The cat ball with the little mousey inside of it. Get it, Rudy. What are you doing with it, Rudy? Why are you rubbing your head on it for? You like it, Rudy? Come on, let me throw it. You don't want to let me throw it? You just want to lay there with it? You like looking at the mousey? Get it, Rudy! Get it, get it, get it, get it!